Russian dancing. Oh my god. Well, actually, it's just Jordan. Yeah. Dana left me for some other guy. No, I'm not implying anything. And today, since I have no life, I'm making a video on laser pointer. Ah, work! Okay. Oh my god! Oh my god! I went shopping yesterday and I bought 3 laser pointers. Why? I don't know. So I have these laser pointers. They're jealous. This one's name is Steve. Steve. And Chad. Chad, oh my god. Yeah. And, okay. So, yes. We were at this Amish place. And I had money. And I wanted to spend it on something besides pie. They have good pie. And candles that smell like pie. They don't taste good. Anyway, and then we were there, and they just had so many, and they were just so pretty, and I just wanted to spend $6 on them. Oh yes. And yeah, and I have no life, and I decided I would walk around stores, putting them on people's heads. My dog is a queen. I'm sorry. I have no family. They all died in a terrible fight. They all left again. They just leave and they took my pie. So apparently I have to change the subject because unless you want to watch a slideshow of pictures of me flashing this at your face, yes! I have a dog whistle. What now? And hi, emo guy or something. Because if you do, she will harass the crap out of you. And she kind of looks like a man. I'm not saying that I don't. I have shiny hair. Don't talk to her. Laser pointers! Went to camp. I made friends. Yes! For the first time. The whole class like dead babies. That's my friend. That's not me. I am not crazy. Nazi. Whatever. I'm just sexist. Yeah. I don't know why. Yeah. Whatever. I look like Rudolph. No. Have you seen the movie 21? That's a rhetorical question. What? I don't even think it's rhetorical. It just don't answer it, okay? It's a good movie. Jim Sturgis is awesome and quite hot. Like Angela! Whoa, whoa. Well, that's disturbing. I'm gonna do this from now on. No, I'm just wearing a shirt that's way too small. I can't get it off. Not kidding. We stalk him. Yeah. Yeah. There's this one kid, and he stalks me. Hi, David. Anyway. Hi, Dana. Dana, I'm going to call you today, or tomorrow, or sometime, and tell you to watch the movie out on your own YouTube page.